In this video, you're gonna learn about keyword golden ratio. So you already know the fact that you need to create content around the keywords for which there's a scarcity of content, but there's high demand for quality content. So keyword golden ratio takes it to the extremes. It takes supply demand rule to the extremes when it comes to keyword research. This concept is popularized, and this word keyword golden ratio is coined by Doug Cunnington from the niche site project.com. So this has been proven to work over and over again for many sites, especially new sites. As you can see here, a new site begins to hit $100 per month in 4 months with the KGR technique. It works well for new blogs because you will be targeting the keywords for which there is a severe lack of content, and Google will show up your site even if your site is brand new. This strategy alone will help you to get your site unstuck and make it get traffic like as early as 3 to 4 months of starting your blog. You need to pay extreme careful attention to all the steps that I present to you in this video because it involves some mathematical calculations, and also when you come across some keywords that satisfy the keyword golden ratio, you need to prioritize those keywords above all the keywords that you have researched, right? You need to publish articles around the keywords that have passed KGR before going with any keywords that you have also shortlisted. So let's get started. This keyword golden ratio is only applicable for keywords below 250 global search volume typically, but there's a strategy to apply this also for the keywords that have volume of above 250. But for new sites, I recommend you to strictly go with keywords that have volume of below 250 because when your site is new, Google will not take that risk of ranking your content higher. And the formula for keyword golden ratio is number of all in-title results for a keyword divided by the keyword volume, the global keyword volume. That gives rise to one ratio between all in title and the volume, that is keyword golden ratio. So this keyword golden ratio should be below 0.125. If a keyword satisfies this rule, then you need to go for it. Let me give you an example here. So suppose I am in an optics niche and we have one product called Vortex. It is a product brand. Vortex versus. Okay, so there are different comparison keywords here. I can search for something like, say like SIG Romeo 5 versus Vortex Crossfire. Search volume is 10, or Vortex versus. So Vortex Diamondback versus Viper, but the search volume is 320. That doesn't satisfy our rule of 250. So Vortex HST versus PST. So it has a search volume of 170. So let me do all in title research for this keyword. So there are 33 results. Okay, 33 results for the search volume of 170. So if you do the math, that is 170 by 33. 33 by 170. The score will be 0.194. That means this is lesser than the rule, that is 0.25. Then there is a scarcity of content when it comes to this specific keyword, and you can easily cover this keyword in your optics related site. So like this, you can figure out some other keywords as well. Like you just need to enter in product models here, and you will be able to find some keywords like Vortex Strike Eagle 16 versus 18. Okay, the search volume is 60. So let me search another one. Again, this may be quite difficult for you to figure out the KGR's related keywords to begin with, but if you spend some time, it's really worth it. Okay, so here you have some keywords that you can go after, like Trigicon Acupoint versus Vortex Razor. So you can just search for it, and the search volume for this keyword is 90 or 200. This is the global search volume, 200. Okay, so I can add in the all in title results here and say here we have 24. So 24 by 200. That is 0.12. So this again satisfies the rule of having KGR score of below 0.25. Okay, so you can go with those keywords because there's a scarcity of content. So keyword volume, if the keyword volume is 250 and all in title keyword results is 63, then KGR score will be near to 0.25. Okay, so this is the limit to which the keyword volume and all in title results can go. What if the keyword volume is above 250? Then in that case, as long as the number of results below 63, then you can go with that keyword. For example, if the keyword volume is say 1000 and the all in title keyword result is 63, then you can go with that keyword, because this results is the maximum result. If the all in title results are more than 63, then there is no scarcity of content for that keyword. Okay, so for bigger sites, even if keyword volume is above 250 with all in title results less than 63, then go for it. The reason why we are having a constraint that is 250 search volume, because for newer sites, for KGR to work well, you need to only target keywords of below 250 volume, because when beginning, Google won't take that risk of ranking your site, new site, for higher volume keywords. So further down the lane, when you are growing, then you can obviously go with 250 plus search volume, provided that the all in title results is less than 63, signifying that there is a scarcity of content for the keyword. For keyword golden ratio analysis, you can create your own database or spreadsheet, and in one column you can have all the keywords, and in another column you can have all the search volume entries, and another column you can have all in title results. To scale this process, there are various tools and services that you can opt for. And even if you are a programmer, you can get data via API for all in title results by making use of tools or like API tools like Data for SEO. You can make use of their Google Sheet extension, but please do note that for this tool, you need to have at least 500 credits in your tools account, or else you can't use this tool outside of the trial. Alright guys, hope you got this idea. Keyword golden ratio has been proven again and again to work across various niches, although it may be quite hard for you to find the keywords. If you combine the data that is provided by Hrefs along with all in title results in Excel sheet with formula, then it will be very easy for you to find the keywords that satisfy the keyword golden ratio.